How can you make some money or extra money with doTERRA? Maybe you want to pay an extra bill or send a kiddo to soccer or dance lessons. So you'll definitely want to stick around and find out how you can create a side stream of income from the comfort of your own home. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like.
So, number one question I think that we have, it is, do I have to use the oils?
Yes. In conclusion, this is going to be a short video. I'm just kidding. So yes, you have to use the products. This is something that it's very difficult to recommend to somebody else if you're not using them. Can you imagine saying, hey, Adrian, you should really try this doTERRA deodorant. It works great.
It's like, do you recommend a restaurant? It's like, I never ate there.
Yeah, but I don't eat there, right?
Yeah.
It doesn't make sense. So if you want to sell gadgets or something, you can go work anywhere else. But doTERRA doesn't work that way. We lead with our experiences and our testimonials. And so we love the oils, and you do
Technically you don't, correct? Technically you don't have to.
love the oils.
I love the oils, use the oils. I said use the oils.
And love the oils, yes. So you need to have your own personal experiences, and it sounds simple enough. Use them, and then it just simply sharing them comes naturally. That is exactly how you get started. So you want to have your own stories, especially at the beginning. Maybe you have one or two stories, and it really just makes sense. If one thing works for you, then something else will work for you. But it doesn't necessarily mean you've had to have tried every single product or have an experience with every product. You can borrow other people's stories. But at the beginning, you do need to at least have something to go on of why you're wanting to tell people about it.
Would you say it would make your life a lot easier if you use the oils?
Oh gosh, yes. You want to use them, and it's easy to share. Just like you would share a restaurant or a movie that you like, or maybe even a diaper brand that you like. That's a hot topic, right? It just depends. Whatever you like. As moms, it's really natural to share it. Maybe you're at the playground and your kids are playing and you start talking about it. The only difference is with doTERRA, you're going to receive a referral check versus if you just talk about your favorite restaurant, you don't.
Correct.
Be sure to go to RoxySaran.com and get started with essential oils. We'll love to welcome you to the oily family there. Or if you just want to try one or two things, you can shop right there at RoxySaran.com.
Another question. What do you need to do to actually make money with doTERRA? Do you have to go to school? Do you have to sing Kumbaya? What do you need to do to earn money?
Okay, so when we join doTERRA, we have two different types of memberships with doTERRA. One of them is a wholesale customer. It works just like any other store where you have an account and you can buy at the best prices. It ships straight to you. The second one is called a wellness advocate, and that's what we are. We are advocates for wellness, not only first in our own home, but then in our community and around the world through this channel, right? Helping people.
Are there any fees?
There are no fees associated with it. When you buy your first starter set, your 1-year membership is free. After that, it is $35 a year in the US. It's $35 a year, and you get a free bottle of peppermint. So essentially, your membership is always free, which I love that. So when you sign up as a wellness advocate, the only difference between advocate and customer is that you have a business now and you're able to earn a commission. So it works just like any other business. When you have a sale, just like if I was selling something to Adrian and he bought it from me, I earn a commission. It works just like that, just like any other business. So over time, you may choose to build a team of people who are also selling now. And so you would earn a commission on that as well, just like any other business.
So are there any other bonuses on certain achievements, let's say, or the structure, the way you build your business? Is there anything additionally to the commission?
Yes, absolutely. So not only can you make an income when you make a sale or a repeat customer, just like any other business, and building a team, there are also some bonuses that are associated with structure or a certain achievement or rank. That comes a little bit later in doTERRA, so you don't have to worry about that at the beginning. But yes, there are other profit sharing that you can earn, again, just like any other business. So I think sometimes we think like this multiple level marketing, it's some anomaly. Well, it really is still a traditional business.
Okay.
Absolutely. Okay, so if you're ready to get started, go to RoxySaran.com and you can join our oily family there, or just shop for one or two products right at RoxySaran.com.
So let me ask another question. This work whatever you consider work, how does it really work? Is it anytime? Is it how, can you explain a little bit really what does it mean to work with doTERRA?
That's a really great question because we do have so much flexibility in our schedules. We can work from home, I can wear my pajamas or whatever. You can choose to work anytime. But I have to be honest with you, we've worked with thousands of people all over the world over the last 8 years. And truly, you can work anytime. The problem becomes that people want to only work sometimes and they're not consistent in their business. And so one thing that really helps differentiate is if you have hobby, if you treat this like a hobby, you're gonna get hobby results. And hobby usually costs money and it doesn't make you anything. So we won't talk about any of your hobbies right now. But hobbies.
Any hobbies?
Formula One, soccer, I don't know.
No, those.
Oh, see? Okay. So hobbies usually have costs associated with them, but we're really not earning anything. So if you put in hobby time, which is really just whenever it feels right or convenient, you're really gonna get hobby results. But if you put in serious time and effort, you're gonna have serious results that you can bank on.
So you would say the decision is in your court.
Absolutely.
What do you want to consider this, work or play?
Yes. So one thing I'd love is we're going to link above for you the video. Prior to this video, we did a video about how we got started in our doTERRA business, and we had different baby goals at the beginning. One of them was first paying for private school, and then trying to earn more income to be able to have you work less. And then the next one was to retire him before the age of 40. So you'll want to check out that video. So you baby step your goals. I still remember one of my first business partners, she just wanted to buy a new couch. That was her first goal, and she hated that green couch she had before, and I don't blame her. But we were able to help her with her goals and make a plan, and she was able to get that couch, the new couch that she wanted. And then her next baby step was paying for one of her children to go to college, and then the next step was to pay for their college and their dorm. And so that's how this works, is you set small incremental goals as you go, but you ultimately get to choose at what level that you want to play at.
So they choose. A lot of people that are going through stages. I'm sure this video will be watched by thousands of people. There are certain stages in life that you go through, and you always look for what would I do next. The question becomes: is doTERRA the business for me? How would you? How can you quantify if it's the right thing for someone?
Right. So some of the characteristics that what we're looking for to help to see if you might be a good fit for doTERRA is, one, are you passionate? I hope you can see that we're passionate, right? You have to be passionate about what you believe in so that you can convey that to somebody else. Another thing is you have to be really organized. There's lots of things that go on behind the scenes, and if you're not organized, people will fall through the cracks in following up with them in the samples that you've given or maybe talks that you've had with them. So being really organized. Another thing is being self-driven or self-motivated. You really don't have a boss or somebody's telling you what to do. So you would...
Hold on a second. What am I?
You're my lover. You're my honey. You're not my boss. No.
I'm joking.
We're self-driven. We're self-motivated. We make our own schedule, and you don't have anybody breathing down your neck telling you what to do and you have to achieve this goal. No, this is your business and you can do whatever you want with it. So those are some key things. Another one is being a giver. If you are a taker, this isn't the business for you. You can go ahead, turn the video off and go watch another video or something, but you have to be a giver. If you can, it's the circle that keeps giving. If you are a giver and you want to help other people, this business will bless you back every time. And then lastly, love helping others succeed. All of the business compensation plan is made up of you helping other people succeed. By default, you in turn succeed. So all of those things, if something in there resonates with you, doTERRA might be a good fit for you. If something in there doesn't, then that's okay. This may not be for you.
Well, I just want to say thank God that you have all of that and more.
Oh, thanks.
And we're thankful for doTERRA because they have lined up in their mindset, in their business model, in their mission, so much with what we believe in and what we stand for. So we need to be. We're grateful for doTERRA,
Yes.
and we're grateful for I'm grateful for what you do and how things are working. And in our business, so to say. And
Yes.
we're grateful for our team, because we cannot do this on our own.
Right.
We have a team of people that are
Amazing.
working. It's amazing leaders that we have, that they're looking, that's their business. They do their business the way they do it. We help wherever we can if they ask for help, but it's not something that we are dictating any terms or conditions. doTERRA the same way. It doesn't tell us how to do our business. That's the beauty of having a
You
business.
really have ultimate freedom, which again, for some people they can handle that and some people they can't. So you have to know yourself and see if any of this is resonating with you. Please comment below or send me a DM. I'd love to help support you if I can on your doTERRA journey. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. Go to RoxySaran.com to get started with your oil starter set, or just purchase one or two things. We'd love to see you there. And then the next video, we'll be talking about
how to fill a capsule or how to make a roller bottle.
Absolutely. Super easy. We'll see you in the next video. Have a healthy day.
Take care, guys.
Bye.